Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm doing good. I hope you all are also doing good. So now I'm on the way to my campus. I just locked my room and now I have taken stairs. Now I have to work for 5 minutes or so max and then I will reach to my campus. And today I plan to show you how usually my day looks like, okay? So, even though I got quite a few important tasks today, but I hope I will show you. I hope I can show you that. So, okay. And important tasks, as in recently I had my DC, my half yearly. DC means like proposing my ideas, like in front of my guide, internal members, dean, associate dean, external members, internal member. So I just had it on 1st September, and then yesterday only I had my half yearly report. So all these things are done, but then also like we have to get signature from dean, associate dean. So all those formalities are yet to be done. So today I'll be a little busy, and also my guide has called me, so I will be having some tasks with him as well. So okay, stay tuned. I will show you how usually my day looks like. See, this is the first gate or main gate of VIT. Okay, and now I will take the entrance. Like there are many entrances. That gate is particularly meant for four-wheelers. That's like there's a small gate where if parents are coming or some other people are coming to the university, so they have to get a pass, only then they can enter. So like no normal people can enter here. You have to have some connection with VIT, only then you can enter. And you would see that everyone is wearing their ID cards, because it's an indispensable requirement here. And this is the gate we take entrance from. So actually we have to scan our face and everything is recorded here. So I will show you, like you can see here, I'll show my face. Yeah, and thank you. And now I can enter. So these white buses are called shuttle. So as the university campus is really big, so you cannot walk always, so we can take bus as well. But as of now I will go to the library itself, so I don't have to walk a lot. You can see that black windows, right? And so I'm just going there only. So that's Dr. MGR building, which is like main building of the campus. Like name is main block, okay? There's fountain. Eventually I will give you a tour of the whole campus. As of now I got some tasks, so first I would make sure that I complete my task, and then I will again come back. We don't know exactly what's happening, but
कार तो अच्छी है.
this car is really good, no?
कार देखी?
4 crores, 5 crores, 6 crores.
हाँ पूरा करनी है बस.
So
किसी की तो शादी हो रही है ना?
someone very important is getting married, and I don't know, maybe क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Hi.
Yep.
So thing is probably I don't know, someone special is getting married, so that's why people are invited. Not getting married here, but as she is related to VIT, that's why VIT is also celebrating.
ये देखो, ये भी इनकी एक दूसरी कार है.
Yes.
One of their cars.
So many
हाँ.
expensive. Which I wonder cars, no?
Like नंबर EV, right? तो EV होगा. हाँ? सुनो हमारी बात करते हैं. EV का 001 से लेकर 99 नंबर होगा. अगेन नेक्स्ट EV EC. ओके, EV EC. हाँ, तो ये जितने भी ऑप्शन रहते हैं.
And the voice that you are getting right now is of
वो कैमरामैन देवांश सक्सेना के साथ.
yes.
अभी हम जा रहे हैं खाना खाने.
Yeah.
मेरा तो लंच टाइम है, इन लोगों का कभी भी लंच टाइम हो जाता है, इनका लंच टाइम वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल है।
We have freedom, guys. We have a lot of liberties, so it's not a big deal for us to.
ये
make some
अपने
time
मर्जी के
for
मालिक हो
lunch.
रखे हैं।
It's always up to us, right? Yeah. That's why you have to take lunch. Okay, so sometimes I'm forcing Saxena, okay, to take us on camera, and cameraman is really distracted. What are you looking, huh?
नथिंग।
Nothing. Okay.
क्या सुनना है, मैं कोई गलत आंसर नहीं देने वाला हूँ,
So
ठीक है
that's
ना?
how me and Vidisha work sometimes,
हाँ।
guys. Please don't
So
judge
can you
us.
keep walking?
Too close, buddies. Yeah.
पीछे से लोग देख रहे हैं तुमको, इट्स ओके।
Anyone can see us, okay, except Ding. Ding. Hello. अरे guys, मिष्टी दही खाए क्या वहाँ जाके Walmart से?
वॉलमार्ट वाला, हाँ वही तो, ऑनलाइन भी नहीं मंगाना पड़ेगा, ये कर सकते हैं। मिष्टी दोई खाएंगे आज चल के।
तुम बोलो मिष्टी दोई और मिष्टी दोई।
मिष्टी दोई।
Okay, you learned it. Good.
ये दो बंगाली गर्ल्स मेरा मिलके मजाक बनाती हैं।
Yeah, you know guys, he would always say Misty Doi.
तो मैं
Misty Doi. It's not Misty Doi, okay? It's
मैं-
Misty, it's what is it?
मिष्टी दोई,
Good. Good.
ठीक है।
I'm proud.
हमारे
of
यहाँ दही
you.
बोलते हैं, दही, चीनी वाला दही। डोंट कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स।
तो बंगाली में कैसे बोलेंगे दही बल्ले को? दो ही बोलना।
दही बोले, दही बोल रहा है। टाइम पे तो सही आ गए हमारी तो।
Canteen over there. So this is the main canteen, guys. Okay, let me show you. So this is the main canteen. Okay. There are many canteens though.
इसको हंसी आ रही है, ये ब्लॉग कर।
See, I'm excited now.
Yes,
I'm a
Okay.
new, I'm a new vlogger.
ओके,
Yeah.
So we have entered the gates of the canteen.
Yeah.
लेट्स गो। क्या क्या है?
Inquire the chutney.
चटनी तो छोड़ो, पहले मसाला डोसा है कि नहीं, उसी के साथ चटनी खाएंगे। अरे दूसरों की प्लेट में मत झाँको प्लीज, ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता। अक्का, मसाला डोसा है?
Masala finish.
फिनिश्ड। सुबह सुबह खा जाते हैं लोग यहाँ पे मसाला डोसा।
It's okay, guys. We are
मसाला डोसा तो
because the only thing I like in main canteen is masala dosa, and most of the days I'm not getting masala dosa. I
तो
don't
अब क्या
know.
प्लान है खाने का?
First let's show them the menu card, most of the things, even though we don't get.
What
but
will you
but
have?
we'll थोड़ा सा play.
Hey, what's your plan now? क्या खाना है?
Noodles.
चिकन नूडल्स। फॉर मी ऑल्सो चिकन नूडल्स, चिकन नूडल्स।
No, I don't want to have noodles.
क्या खाना है?
That biryani.
हाँ,
That biryani.
ओके।
What's name? Fried chicken biryani. Fried chicken biryani. That's in the South Indian style. Chettinad style.
जाओ ऑर्डर दो।
बिरयानी होगी।
तुम्हारा यूपीआई पिन भी दिखाऊंगा मैं सबको। अपने ऑडियंस को इतना भी शेयर नहीं कर सकते हो तुम?
क्या हुआ?
अपनी ऑडियंस को तुम अपना यूपीआई पिन भी शेयर नहीं कर सकती हो?
अरे everything for the audience.
हाँ।
But I don't have any audience. That's the thing.
कोई नहीं, कभी तो आएगी, वो हमारे पुराने वीडियो देखेंगे तुमको।
Only us. Maybe. Today guys, we are really uploading this video. So now Vidisha is going to collect the food and she told me to take rest.
We are going to the continental section where we have ordered biryani and chicken noodles. So let's see how much time do they take.
Yeah, and we will show you the food. Yay! We have got our food. Now we will have our lunch. Okay, talk to you later. So this is something very interesting, guys. You will see now. That's how Vidisha takes food. Okay, she makes sure that she is not having any vitamin, protein. हाँ.
I am very
Yeah.
caring friend. I share the vitamins
हाँ
to
हाँ.
my dear friend Saxena.
Okay.
अच्छा होगा ना अगर अपने को थोड़ा प्रोटीन सोर्स भी दोगे तो।
So guys, we are two Bengalis in the group and we were craving for sweet. But हमसे भी ज़्यादा excited था ये Devar Saxena who went and got it in very short time.
Yeah.
He arranged and he made sure कि हम ये खाए. तो हम even the Bengali है, but he is more excited than us.
Yeah.
चलो let's
चलो
begin.
खाते हैं.
इन दोनों को मेरे से कोई मतलब नहीं है. मेरी छाता लेके आगे 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 आगे. एक बार भी नहीं पूछा इन लोगों ने मेरे से कि छाते में आना है क्या.
It's 5:32 now and I'm almost done for the day, even though I'm yet to punch out, but mostly the things are done. So as I was telling in the beginning of the video that I had a lot of tasks today. I didn't complete everything, like official procedure, it takes time. Hopefully I'll complete everything by Monday, that's fine. And now comes the most struggling part. I have to go to gym. I haven't gone to gym for last 1 week because again the same reason. I was seriously having a lot of works like DC, half yearly and things like that. So now I'm a little free and the time is 5:33, so I can go. I cannot give any excuse related to time as well today. But this is my principle, okay? When I go to gym, when I am doing yoga or meditation, I don't use my phone. So this is going to be the last clip for today, and I want you to see something. Just look behind. I really love the trees here. It's so dense, no? It's creating a darkness. Somewhere it reminds me of, when I went to Gangtok. I really love that. Like this part exactly. I really love that. And also let's see what else is there. So, this is the backside of Girls Hostel again. And that's it for today's video. And let's see what we have got for tomorrow. Bye.